Welcome to channel. Today we explore finance aspects connected with garments industry and how this sector creates pathways for economic growth and sustainable livelihoods across communities worldwide without relying on complex jargon or technical references. The journey of garments begins with raw materials: cotton, wool, synthetic fibers, each requiring careful planning of resources and cost management. Farmers and suppliers must balance production expenses with fair pricing to ensure stability for workers and long-term supply chains. This is the first layer of finance in garments: the allocation of funds to secure raw inputs while maintaining affordability. Garments factories represent another dimension of finance. They must organize budgets for machinery, energy, labor, and compliance with safety standards. Every decision about spending influences productivity and quality. When managers allocate funds wisely, they can reduce waste, increase efficiency, and create better working conditions. Finance in garments is not only about numbers, it is about choices that affect human lives and community well-being. Distribution networks add further complexity. Garments travel from factories to warehouses to retail outlets. Each step requires transportation, packaging, and logistics. Finance here means calculating costs of movement and ensuring that garments reach consumers at reasonable prices without burdening the supply chain. Companies must evaluate routes, negotiate with transport providers, and manage storage facilities, all of which demand financial discipline. Retail operations highlight the direct connection between garments and finance. Shops must design pricing strategies that attract customers while covering expenses of rent, utilities, and staff wages. Promotions, discounts, and seasonal offers are financial tools used to balance demand and supply. Garments retailers often face challenges during festive seasons when demand spikes, requiring careful cash flow planning to avoid shortages or excess stock. Global trade in garments illustrates finance on an international scale. Countries export and import garments, creating opportunities for foreign exchange earnings and employment. Governments often support garment exporters with incentives and infrastructure development. Finance in this context becomes a national priority because garments contribute to economic stability and growth across regions. Sustainability is another vital aspect. Garments production can strain the environment through water use, chemicals, and waste. Finance plays a role in encouraging eco-friendly practices by allocating funds to cleaner technologies, recycling, and ethical sourcing. Companies that invest in sustainability often gain consumer trust and long-term resilience. Garments finance therefore extends beyond immediate profit to include responsibility for future generations. Workers in garments industry depend on fair wages, timely payments, and social benefits. Finance ensures that payroll systems function smoothly and that employees receive compensation reflecting their contribution. When companies prioritize worker welfare, they strengthen loyalty, reduce turnover, and enhance productivity. Finance in garments is deeply human because it touches the daily lives of millions of people. Innovation in garments also requires finance. Research into new fabrics, smart textiles, and advanced designs demands funding from companies and sometimes public institutions. Garments that adapt to climate needs or integrate technology can open new markets. Finance supports experimentation and creativity, ensuring that garments remain relevant in a changing world. Education and training programs for garment workers are financed through industry partnerships and government initiatives. Skill development increases efficiency and quality while empowering individuals to pursue better opportunities. Finance in garments thus supports human capital growth alongside material production. Community development linked to garments is another dimension. Many factories operate in rural or semi-urban areas. Finance directed toward local infrastructure, healthcare, and education strengthens the social fabric and creates a supportive environment for garment workers. Garments finance is not isolated, it is interconnected with broader social progress. Small businesses and entrepreneurs also play a role in garments finance. Local tailors, designers, and boutique owners must manage budgets for fabrics, tools, and marketing. Their financial planning determines success or failure. Garments finance at this level encourages creativity and diversity in fashion while supporting local economies. Technology integration such as digital platforms for ordering and tracking garments requires financial investment. Companies that embrace digital solutions often achieve transparency, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Finance enables modernization and keeps garments industry competitive in a fast-paced global environment. In conclusion, garments and finance are inseparable threads woven together to create a fabric of economic activity, social welfare and innovation. From raw materials to retail, from sustainability to worker welfare, finance guides every step. Garments industry demonstrates how financial planning and discipline can transform resources into livelihoods, opportunities and progress. Welcome to channel where we continue to explore how everyday industries like garments reveal the deeper meaning of finance in our lives.